Hi friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit First. In the previous lecture, video lecture, we have studied menu bar, menu item, checkbox menu item and its example. What is menu bar? How to create menus, menu items, checkbox menu item. Like these concepts we have studied in the previous lecture. In this current lecture, we are going to study some dialog boxes. In that specific dialog box, that is file dialog, we are going to study. This is the lecture number 12. Dialog boxes. What is dialog box? When we are closing directly any application, it shows one of the small window, and in that window it asks for, do you want to save, no, close, ok, submit, like these options, and takes the input from the user, and that small window is called as the dialog box. Here dialog boxes, often we will want to use a dialog box to hold a set of related controls. This dialog box can hold the set of related controls. Dialog boxes are primarily used to obtain user input. These dialog boxes are used for obtaining the user input. They are similar to frame windows, except that dialog boxes are always child windows of a top level window. Also, dialog boxes don't have menu bars. In other respects, dialog boxes function like frame windows. We can add controls to them. For example, in the same way that we add controls to a frame window or applet window, like this, dialog boxes may be modal or modeless. Dialog boxes are classified into two categories, that are the modal and modeless. Dialog boxes may be modal or modeless. When a modal dialog box is active, all input is directed to it until it is closed. What is modal dialog box? That is the concept. And when a modal dialog box is active, all input is directed to it until it is closed. This means that we cannot access other parts of our program until we have closed the dialog box. We can see the example of this also. What is modal dialog box and how looks like, what is the use of this dialog box. Okay, when a modal dialog box is active, all input is directed to it until it is closed. This means that we cannot access other parts of our program until we have closed the dialog box. Second, when a modeless dialog box is active, input focus can be directed to other window in our program. Thus, other parts of our program remain active and accessible. Dialog boxes are of type dialog. These dialog boxes are of type dialog. Commonly used constructors are shown here. Dialog box constructors. There are different constructors are there. From that we have taken 3 constructors here. More number of constructors are there, but from this we are considering 3 constructors. First one, dialog frame parent window, P window I am calling that. Here first constructor take the parent window input, means this dialog box for which window it can be generated, that is given by this constructor, dialog frame parent window. Second, dialog frame space parent window boolean mode. Here boolean mode specifies the modal or modeless dialog box. Third constructor, dialog frame parent window string title boolean mode. In this constructor, string title it takes the title from the parent window, or we can assign the title for this dialog window. And boolean mode specifies the modal or modeless. These are the three constructors for dialog. Here p window is the owner of the dialog box. If mode is true, the dialog box is modal. Otherwise it is modeless. The title of the dialog box can be passed in title. Generally we will subclass dialog, adding functionality required by our application. Example of dialog box. Here see the output of this. Alert is the title for this window, dialog box, and click to continue. OK button is there. Click to continue, click OK to continue. OK button is there. When we are clicking on this OK button, this dialog box disappears and our main window displays like this. See the example for this. Dialog example, we are subclassing. Here import the package, import java.awt.star, import java.awt.event.star. Event handling is required here. Next, public class dialog example. Open the class. Private static, we have declared object of the dialog class, private static dialog D. Next, take the method, main method, public static void main string args, open close circular square brackets, close the circular bracket, open curly bracket. Here we have taken the object of frame class also. Frame window, that is the object for this frame class, base class for this dialog. Frame parent class, frame window equal to new frame. After this, create the modal dialog box. D equal to, where in previous last start of the class, there we have declared a dialog object D. D equal to new dialog into bracket window is the P window, parent window, window, it is the object of frame, comma string title. Here we have taken the alert as a title, alert, comma true parameter, boolean mode. True specifies the modal dialog box. Next, we are setting the flow layout. D dot set layout into bracket new flow layout. Next, we have created one button. Create an OK button. Button OK equal to new button OK, title for that, caption for that button. Then we have register this button for receiving the events registration. OK dot add action listener. Button generates action listener, so we need to add here action listener. OK dot add action listener into bracket new action listener. We have specified here in our inner class new action listener. To this method, open this method body. Next, public void action performed into bracket action event E. We have taken the syntax like this. Next, open the curly bracket, and in this, when we are clicking on the button, we need to hide the dialog. So hide the dialog we can specify in this body like this: dialog example dot d dot set visible into bracket false. Dialog example dot d dot set visible false. Close the curly bracket. Close the new action listeners curly bracket. Close one circular bracket for the add action listeners circular bracket. This is the specification of inner class, and this inner class we are going to study in the third chapter. Okay, next semicolon. Next, d dot add into bracket new label. Click OK to continue. one label we have added on this dialog. D dot add new label, click OK to continue. Double quotation complete, circular brackets complete, semicolon. After creating, add this button to the window also. Dialog D dot add into bracket OK. To show the dialog, we need to call the set visible method. D dot set visible true, and we are specifying the D dot pack method. D dot pack method works like a set size method or set bounds method, which specifies that what are the controls we have added, and to that controls how much space is required on that window, it takes automatically that much amount of size window is created. So that directly we have taken this D dot pack method. Next, D dot set visible true, window becomes visible. After that, system dot exit 0 to close all the windows. Next, close the main method, close the class. Like this way you can write the dialog example. Study this example thoroughly. Now see the how example works and what is the output for this. Command prompt I am going to open. Dialog example.java. Compilation Java C dialog example.java. Compilation is okay. Now execute this. Main method is there, so you can directly execute like this. Java space dialog example, press enter. Could not find file. ठीक है. -cp dot. Here see the output of for the dialog window. Here alert is the title for this window. We can resize this window also. Alert, we have set the title for this window. One label we have added to this dialog window, and one button we have added here. Click OK, and when we are clicking on this button, it can directly close this dialog window like this. Okay, this is the example of dialog. Or you can see here, suppose I have opened or some changes I have done here like this, and whenever we are directly closing here, one small window is displayed. Notepad, do you want to save changes, save, don't save, cancel. This is the dialog window, dialog box window. This is the dialog box, and when skip or keeping this same way and right clicking on the other side of this program, here control does not transfer, and this concept is called as the modal dialog box. When modal dialog box is open, control of the program is transferred to the dialog box only. We cannot do other operations on the parent window. This is notepad is the parent window. Here we can't do this window. After closing this window, we can do the task. This is the modal dialog box. And here, this is the software. This is the parent window, and on this window here another window is running. It is also a dialog box which takes the input from the user, but I can do here some task here. So this is the modeless dialog box. Okay, here transfer to the parent window or control can be transferred to the parent window. On parent window you can perform some task, do the task, and without closing the dialog box. That dialog box is called as the modeless dialog box. Okay, here then this is the model dialog box, which can't transfer the control to the parent window. It takes control to the itself. After closing this you can perform the task like this. Okay, next dialog has one subclass, that is the file dialog. Java provides a built-in dialog box that lets the user specify a file. To create a file dialog box, instantiate an object of type file dialog. This causes a file dialog box to be displayed. Usually, this is the standard file dialog box provided by the operating system. Whenever we are opening or any application or software or notepad, MS Word, like this, in this we are clicking on the new file, then that opens one dialog box that is called as the file dialog box, and in that you can perform the save as, load, close, like these operations, and that are the operations of file dialog. And this is provided by Java. Java provides a built-in dialog box that lets the user specify a file. To create a file dialog box, instantiate an object of type file dialog. This causes a file dialog box to be displayed. Usually, this is a standard file dialog box provided by operating system. And file dialog also provides number of constructors. From that we have taken 3 constructors here: file dialog, frame parent, comma, string box name. Second, file dialog, frame parent, string box name, integer how. Third, file dialog, frame parent, like these constructors. Here parent is the owner of the dialog box and box name is the name displayed in the box's title bar. If box name is omitted, the title of the dialog box is empty. And values for how: if how is file dialog dot load, LOAD capital, if how is file dialog dot load, then box is selecting a file for reading. If how is file dialog dot save, the box is selecting a file for writing. The third constructor creates a dialog box for selecting a file for reading. File dialog constructor provides methods that allows us to determine the name of the file and its path as selected by the user, and these are the methods: string get directory, second string get file. This method returns the directory and the file name respectively. String get directory gets the directory, string get file returns the file path. Here file dialog example: following program activates the standard file dialog box. Here import java.awt.star semicolon class sample frame extends frame. Constructor, open this curly bracket, constructor sample frame into bracket string title, open curly bracket, constructor is opened, call the super into bracket title semicolon, close curly bracket, close the class. Next, class file dialog demo, open the curly bracket, public static void main string args, open close square bracket, close circular bracket, open curly bracket. frame f equal to new sample frame into bracket title for this file dialog demo. After this f dot set visible into bracket true, f dot set size into bracket 100 comma 100. Next file dialog fd equal to new file dialog and pass the parent for this f, that is the sample frame. New file dialog into bracket f title for this file dialog. Next fd dot set visible true, close the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. Like this way you can write the example of file dialog. Output for this like this file dialog, and it opens for the window for the dialog window. See the example for this file dialog demo. You have studied the example in this import java.awt.star class sample frame extends frame open curly bracket constructor sample frame string title open curly bracket super keyword super title close curly bracket close the class. Next start the class file dialog demo open curly bracket public static void main string args open close square bracket close circular bracket open curly bracket frame f equal to new sample frame file dialog demo f dot set visible true f dot set size 100 comma 100 file dialog fd equal to new file dialog f comma file dialog fd dot set visible true, close the main method, close the class. Like this way execute this example. Java C file dialog demo dot java. See here, this is the file dialog window is opened on the window here. This is the file dialog example, how you can generate a file dialog. Close this, close. For the close button we have not written any code, so here you can't close this window directly. You can click on this command prompt, press Ctrl C, that window will be closed. Thank you for watching. In this video we have studied dialog box, dialog class and file dialog class. Go through this, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for the watching. Thank you once again.